In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop PayPal email notifications when receiving payments. If you're getting too many PayPal emails every time someone sends you money, this is a quick setting you can turn off in just a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it so you can stop those payment notification emails and keep your inbox a little cleaner. To begin, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the PayPal website. Once you're on the main account screen, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon there, which is the settings area for your account. Go ahead and click that gear icon. After you open the settings menu, you'll need to find the notifications section. This is where PayPal lets you control which alerts and messages are sent to you, including emails for account activity, reminders, and payment updates. Click on Notifications to open that page. Once you're inside the notifications settings, take a moment to look through the available options. What you want to find is the notification labeled Receive a Payment. This is the setting that sends you an email when money is received in your PayPal account. When you find Receive a Payment, disable that notification. Depending on the version of the PayPal interface you're seeing, this may appear as a checkbox, a toggle switch, or a similar on and off control. Make sure it is turned off so you no longer receive those email alerts for incoming payments. And that's all. From this point on, PayPal should stop sending you email notifications specifically for received payments. Keep in mind that this only affects that one type of notification, so you may still receive other important emails from PayPal related to your account, security, or transactions, if those are still enabled. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same notifications section and turn the setting back on at any time. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer emails and a less cluttered inbox. That's the full process for stopping PayPal email notifications when receiving payments. Just open the gear icon, go to Notifications, and disable the Receive a Payment option.